Hello. So in this video we're gonna replace this original bezel with a metal one. Just to say a few words about this Casio. It is a 5600 Foxfire. So it is bought from the Japan Media store, from the seller from Japan. I will leave a link in the description box, so I highly recommend this seller. The metal bezel I bought from the seller from AliExpress, and this is what I got in a package. I got these screwdrivers, cheap and basic, screws, wipes to clean the watch, and I got this little stuff. So this is interesting. This is something you put on this side of the watch, so the metal bezel would fit better, I suppose. Also got the screen protector. I probably won't be using this. I don't think I need it. And the last thing, it is this sticker. It has two parts, as you can see. It has a frame and the inner part. The inner part is a waist, and on that place you put this screen protector, and you use just the frame of this sticker so to cover the upper face of the watch on which the bezel would fit. Alright, so now let me show you the main thing. It is beautiful, shiny stainless steel bezel. So now we're gonna take this off. So I already unscrewed these 4 screws, so the only thing I have to do is to pull this out. Easily, so you don't have to detach the stripe to install the new bezel. You just remove the original bezel. So as you can see, during the time it got dirty, so I will use the wipes. Here I go again with my Casio Clean, and now we're gonna install this without putting stickers, these things, so to check how fit will it be. Very nice. I would say the stickers are not needed, but I will still use these stickers because I want some kind of cushion between the metal and the watch itself. So be right back. Here I am back with the stickers on. So I put 3 stickers. As you can see, one is on this side, one is on this side, and one is frame. So let's check how would fit it now. Also really nice, even more smoother, like you can feel when you put it, you can feel like a little suspension. So it's not like a click, it's like a smooth click. So I definitely recommend to use the sticker because the Casio would appreciate it. It would be more softer for him, although he is a tough guy. Now we're gonna put the screws back. I got extra screws in the package, but I will use the original one. No problem with that. Perfect. 2 more to go. All right, perfect. Oh, this is a really badass now. It looks so much more premium and more expensive. Real nice. Flawless. The finish of the bezel is premium. No bad parts. Really nice cut, nice polish, and nice brush over here. So this frame is brushed and this is polished. Alright, I will put this guy on the wrist. This is really nice. You don't have to buy new Casio watches with the metal bezel. You can just do this. It looks very, very nice. Alright, I hope you like this video and see you maybe next time.